Foodies, welcome to Gourmet Kitchen. Today, we're whipping up a mouth-watering, honey-glazed salmon with roasted veggies. Let's dive into the goodness. Fresh salmon, vibrant veggies, honey, and a blend of aromatic herbs. Are you ready for this flavor journey? Preheat the oven. Chop those veggies. Zucchini, bell peppers, and cherry tomatoes are ready for a flavor party. Drizzle with olive oil, sprinkle garlic, salt and pepper, mix it up and spread them on a baking sheet. These will roast to perfection. Salmon time. Season with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs. Now, the secret weapon, honey. Drizzle it generously for that sweet glaze. Into the oven they go. Watch the magic happen as the honey glaze caramelizes and the veggies roast to a golden perfection. Fast forward to a plate full of goodness, honey glazed salmon with roasted veggies, a culinary masterpiece. If you loved this recipe, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and let us know what you'd like to cook next. Until then, happy cooking!